Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the photo album feature built into PowerPoint. So for a couple of projects you might find this useful, certainly for the multimedia before and after photos. So with your photos um, taken and modified, what you're going to do is you need to make sure that those are available somewhere. Preferably on your hard drive, flash drive, student drive, something like that. That's the easiest way to get these. And then once we do that, we're going to insert the photo album, and we're just going to choose a new photo album. We're going to find our pictures using this dialog box here. So we'll go to File and Disk, and then we can find the pictures that we need. So let me maneuver around here and find a few pictures. This is going to be pretty random, so bear with me. Let me just find a few. So we've got, let's see, we've got before and after, a couple of them here. And we'll do these two. And that should be good. So we're going to insert those pictures, and you can see that we're getting we've got two of each, and that's what you're going to use for your before and after. So we've got an original here, and then we have an edited copy. We have a nautical star and another copy. We have a soccer ball and an edited one, and we have a social network poster and an edited one. So you can see those, and we could rearrange those if we need to. But before this, or for this project, this is what works best. If you have the pictures in this order, so you have the original first, that would be an odd number, and then you have your edited version second. Now what we want to do is, you can see that there's a few options here. I'll go through those in a minute. But what we want to do is we want to change the picture layout from fit to slide to two pictures, or two pictures with title, preferably probably two pictures. Okay. Then you can see that the preview will change. So not only does the preview change, but now you can see this went from 8 pictures to 4 pictures, or 8 slides to 4 slides. These are really documenting the number of slides that you're going to have. So now we know that our pictures are going to show up side by side. We could also change the rectangle to rounded corners. We could put a little frame around it if we wanted to, either white or black. And you can select this. It really doesn't make a difference. I'll go ahead and choose that. You could put a theme in the background, but you can do that later as well. And then what I like to do is have you guys create a footer that says what website you use. So I'll get to that in a minute. Now, if by chance you need to make any changes, you can see that we can change the landscape or the rotation. We can rotate the pictures if we need to. We can add some contrast or add some brightness, or diminish it as well. And we can remove and reorder the pictures if we need to. So if you have things in the right order, you can see that I've got things the way that I want. I'm just going to click Create, and it's going to open up a new presentation. So you're actually going to have 2 presentations open. You can see that it creates a title slide that says Photo Album, and then whatever your username is will show up here. So if you need to go in and modify that to put your name instead of your username, that would be preferred. And now you can see that I've got my pictures side by side, the original and the edited one, with a little bit of a border around it because I selected to do that. I've got these 2 pictures here, I've got these 2, and then I've got these 2. Now, if you need to go back and make changes, you certainly can. But what it's going to do is, every time that you make a change, it's going to recreate the photo album. Okay, so for example, if you happen to cut and paste pictures in here or anything like that, it's going to remove them unless they're part of that dialog box. So I didn't really do much with these, so I'm going to eliminate these pictures altogether. So I'm going to go up here and edit photo album. I'm going to remove the nautical star pictures, and I'm going to remove those, and then I'm going to choose update, and so I've got those taken out now. And then the last thing that I want to do is I want to put a little footer in here, and so I'm going to choose my my header and footer, and I'm going to choose the footer option, and we'll put website 1 just as an example. I'm going to apply. I don't want to apply to all unless I use the website each time. So you can see I've got website 1 there. Slide 2, I'm going to go back up to header and footer, do the same thing. Website 2, apply, and then on the third one, website 3. And apply. And now if we preview this, I don't have anything on slide 1. You may not be able to see the footer, but down there at the bottom it says website 1, website 2, and website 3. So that's how you use the photo album feature and create a photo album. Now I just want to save this into my student drive and drop it into the appropriate folder so I can get it graded. So that's how you use the photo feature.